All right, guys, today I'm going to be bringing you an extremely high win rate trading strategy. And I know every YouTuber says this, and most of the time it's bullshit. But I promise you that this one is a very high win rate if you do it properly. And it's actually on the 1 to 2 minute time frame. And I find this works very well for gold. So, don't try this on cryptocurrency. I'm sure it would work on Forex as well. But this is an XAU USD strategy, and it works best on the 1 to 2 minute time frame, like I said. Now, the strategy involves taking buy and sell signals on the Heikin-Ashi candles on a lower time frame. And if you go back and kind of just look through it yourself, you can see that the buy and sell signals themselves are pretty accurate, right? Without much else for confluence. The problem with solely taking buy and sells is that if you were to buy and sell on literally every single signal, you might have made some good gains on that one, maybe good gains on this one. This one would have been probably, you would have made some on that. But overall, right, if you took all the buy and sell signals, there are going to be some losing ones, like this one, for example. You would take the sell signal, and by the time the buy signal confirms, you're down. So you would have lost money on that one. Same with this buy signal right here, right? Probably would have lost some, maybe break even. But it's not the smartest thing to do to solely follow buy and sell signals, which is why you need to use support and resistance levels. Now, if you know how to draw your support and resistance levels manually, then you can do that. If not, pull up your EzAlgo SR, and those levels will be in automatically. Now, these levels change with price action. So the levels you see here may not have been loaded in back here, but I can tell you from looking at it that this level right here would have been indeed loaded in before price came down to this level, because we had that low wick right there, and we had this high resistance level up here on the 1 minute time frame, right? So you can see we have this high wick and this low wick, and what we're doing on a lower time frame is we're taking the buy and sell signals at these levels once we get a swing failure of this level. I know a lot of people use swing failures on a higher time frame, but not too many people actually go down to a lower time frame for entry, which I don't understand why. Load in your EzAlgo on Heikin-Ashi candles, and this works across crypto, Forex, stocks, you name it. And go to Heikin-Ashi on like a 5 minute time frame, and as soon as you see a swing failure playing out on the 1 hour, go to a lower time frame and turn on your EzAlgo. It'll just add more confidence once you see that signal going through that level that you're swing failing, and your win rate will be pretty high just off that alone. But since we're on the 1 to 2 minute time frame, we're going to be scalping, right? So what we're waiting for are trades like these where price comes down to this low level, right? Breaks below this low level, buyers get in the market, and then we have an EzAlgo mild buy signal right here as price retraces back into the zone. So we saw that price, came down, right? Price came down, broke below this level, grabbed all that liquidity, and is starting to push up with a mild buy signal. That is going to be your basis for entry. Your stop loss is going to go right below this EzAlgo zone, and you're going to be targeting, ideally probably this level for your first take profit. But ideally this high level right here at this previous candle wick, which at the time was the high resistance level. So that is, an almost 8 risk to reward ratio. So this is why the strategy works so well, because you're waiting for the most ideal level to get hit and then waiting for your EzAlgo confirmations. Now, the same thing can be applied on the way down, right? You see we have this sell signal, we have these mild buy signals, but we didn't go above this level yet, right? So we're waiting for price to go above this resistance level, which it did right over here. So if I zoom in a little bit, you'll be able to see it a little bit clearer. We actually break above that level. We have some reversal signals on EzAlgo, right? We're hitting the outer reversal bands, and then we get that mild buy signal right there on EzAlgo, as well as that divergent signal right here. So at that point, you can either enter your short position or even wait for that sell signal and put your stop loss above this zone. And same thing, right? You're probably going to be targeting at least this level for your first take profit, stop loss to break even, and now you'd be targeting this low level once again. So just off of these two trades, right, this is within the span of maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours. Granted, you're waiting for the most optimal setup. You probably wouldn't have gotten that many trades before that this morning. Maybe you would have got one right here, right, because we broke below this support level, and we had a mild buy signal and a buy signal breaking back up, back into that zone, right? That would be another position that we're going to take on that buy signal. Stop loss below swing low, targeting this level. So you can see just how powerful this strategy is, right? So when you use EzAlgo properly, you're supposed to use these signals in confluence with each other, not just go off of one, not just go off support or resistance, not just go off of the mild buy signal. So you need to use all of these kind of together and that is how you can become profitable. Now, if you'd like some more confluence, another indicator I like to use are the BB order blocks. So the BB order blocks, Bollinger Band order blocks by Trading Wolf, are great. As you can see, we have a bearish order block right here, at this resistance level. And let me actually go back into Japanese candles just so I can back test this for you. And like I said, that level had already been there, and we had bullish order blocks right at this level. And you'll be able to see, right, price comes down, bounces off that level, breaks below, swing fail right there. We're still waiting for that mild buy signal. And there we have that buy signal for entry, but we would have entered before that on Heiken Ashi somewhere around here. And you can see we came right down to those bullish order blocks. Now, if you look up, we also have bearish order blocks right here, right above this high candle wick at this high level. So we're going to use that in confluence with the EzAlgo levels and look to be taking a short position at that high level. And right there, you can see we actually formed some more order blocks right there. I don't know if you can see it. I'll turn off the SR. You can see we're forming those bearish order blocks in real time right at this high EzAlgo resistance level. So what we'll be waiting for now, like I said, is a mild buy on Heiken Ashi candles or enter somewhere around here, right? We'll let it play out. There's that mild sell signal on EzAlgo, and that is going to be our basis for entry. So really, we probably would have entered somewhere around here. And you can see the risk to reward on these trades, guys, is absolutely enormous. And if you don't want to go in the 1 minute, you could also go in the 2 minute time frame, which I find is pretty smooth as well. Now, something else you could do with this strategy is compound your trades. So this is going to be for more advanced traders that are already profitable with this strategy, is compound your gains. So each day, maybe load an account with, like, let's say $50, right? And on this trade, you'd be risking, let's say, $50 to be making $350, right? And then you can put that back in another trade. So now you have $350 in this trade, and you're risking $350 to make, a 9 risk to reward, almost $3,000. But that's for advanced traders. So, you would have just turned 50 into 3,000. Theoretically, right? Theoretically, you would probably take profit before you hit those numbers, but that is what some of our traders do in the Discord, and something you can do as well. I know this video is kind of short, but I just wanted to get to the point of the strategy and how you can use it on gold. And there are some traders in the Discord right now crushing it with this strategy. So make sure to give this a try if you haven't yet already. Stay tuned for some big updates coming soon, guys. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and I'll catch you guys next video.